New at 6, trash on roads in Hoover is a common complaint from many residents. WVTM 13's Larissa Scott on how the city is stepping in.
Littering. Most of us know we shouldn't do it, but some do anyway.
Keeping our community clean is very important.
So important that the city of Hoover is using these electronic signs with an important message. You litter, you pay $500.
It's just to remind people that there are consequences for throwing trash out.
The city says Hoover is clean overall, but admits it can do better.
We do have pockets of roads that need some attention.
Hoover knows by removing trash, it can attract new residents.
That helps keep property values up, and that helps families move in. It encourages families to move into our community.
The Hoover Beautification Board says they plan to continue this initiative year after year. In Hoover, Larissa Scott, WVTM 13.